guys, I am here in Sharon's kitchen because we're doing a very special segment where we're highlighting some of our wonderful consultants. Sharon, thank you so much for having me in your kitchen. Would you like to tell everybody how long have you been a Thermomix consultant for?
I have been since July.
July this year?
Yes, July this year.
And how are you liking the journey?
Love it.
Oh,
Absolutely
awesome.
love it.
Well, I would love for you to share a little bit about why you started, but what we're going to do first is I wanted Sharon to share with you one of her favourite dishes. So what have you got here?
I have got the creamy salami fettuccine pasta.
Yep.
Yeah. This was the first recipe I made my husband when I arrived in Australia 6 years ago.
Oh,
And he was wowed.
It is a wow dish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wowed.
So the creamy salami fettuccine is one of all of our all-time favourites, but it wowed your husband
Yes.
enough
Definitely.
to want to get a Thermomix?
Oh yes,
and-
yes. He says, wow. He says, I know you were a good cook before, but wow, this is it. Buy one, we'll get one. And we did.
Fantastic, and that was 6 years ago.
That was 6 years ago.
And you decided to join this year.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to get to that in a second. With this recipe, it's on cookie dough, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Yep, so this is one of the cookie dough recipes. We're not going to take you through all the steps because it's literally just step by
Yes,
step,
yeah.
follow it,
Yeah.
and you get an amazing
Easy.
result.
So
Okay,
easy.
so do you want to just walk through the ingredients we've got here?
Yes, so we've got onion,
Yep.
salami,
Mm-hmm.
Roma tomatoes, parsley, and zucchini.
Yep.
We also have Parmesan cheese, capsicum, I would call them peppers in Scotland, and the garlic is hiding in there.
Right, yeah.
So that's veggie stock, cream, and fettuccine pasta.
Fantastic, and it's all literally just going to go in there
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
cook, and you're even going to cook the pasta in its own
yeah.
sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah, which
Yeah.
is why this recipe is
All
one
in
of
one.
the
Yeah.
all-time favourites. Okay, so we're going to chuck all of this in there,
Yeah.
get it going, and then we're going to talk through a little bit about
Yeah.
what you love about being a consultant.
Okie dokie.
Oh, I like your chime. Would you like that? I do. Every consultant has like their favourite chime.
Yes.
From their Thermomix.
And this is
Whoa, first stage done.
smells gorgeous.
Second stage done.
Yes.
Go. All that goodness in those veggies going into the
Yes.
sauce. Okay, so the first stage is done. It's sauteing those veggies with the onion and the garlic and the beautiful parsley. So tell us, Sharon, you've got a little bit of a story of why you joined as a Thermomix consultant. So
Okay.
we're going to have to talk a little bit over this. But
Yeah. Okay. So when I first arrived in Australia, got a job in Thermomix head office. So I have been there for 6 years. I spoke to consultants, spoke to customers over the phone. I always wanted to become a consultant, but just recently they opened up the doors that staff could become consultants. So so here's me.
there you go.
Consultant.
You loved it so much that
Yeah.
you became a consultant as well.
Yeah,
That is
definitely.
awesome.
Yeah.
We love having you as a consultant, sharing the love.
Thank you.
So that's cooking for another 10 minutes, and then I believe you're going to be adding your...
Either chorizo or salami. I have chosen chorizo,
Yep.
Spanish, that is spicier.
Yeah, so you could choose either. So you can tweak the recipe to whatever flavours you like. And Sharon favours the chorizo.
Yes.
And once that's added, is it another 10 minutes, I think? And
think
then,
so, yeah.
And then you pop in your pasta to cook.
Yeah.
Alright, so while we're waiting, Sharon, do you want to share with everybody some of the things that you love about being a consultant?
Yes. The things that I do like is the incentives.
Yes.
I love the incentives.
Yes. I love the incentives.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And just being part of that consultant team. I love that. Just meeting loads of new people. Getting to know people and Yeah.
Sharing the love of the Thermomix, I guess. Yeah. I love that you've said that you love being a part of the Thermomix family because it is such a lovely family of consultants. Would you say you get quite inspired by it?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. Yeah. Obviously when you become a consultant, you get to meet other consultants. You get them on Facebook and they share loads of things on Facebook. So it gives you more tips as well.
Yeah, lots of tips, lots of inspiration.
The meetings that you go to as well, they're great. They give you loads of tips. Yeah, I just love it.
Oh, that's awesome. All right, next stage.
Next.
It's like pasta in a sauce to be cooked is like never heard of before, which is why this is one of our favourite recipes. So that's done. Sharon, how long did that take you?
Oh, 30 minutes.
Scale of 1 to 10 to tell people, you know, should they try this or should they try it? What would it be? A 10?
Probably a 10. Definitely. That is so lovely.
You really have to give it a go, guys, because it is also not only one of Sharon's favourites, one of my favourites, and if you speak to any consultant out there, they'll probably tell you it's one of their favourites too. So creamy salami and fettuccine. Sharon, if people want to see some more of what you do as a consultant, what page would they go to?
So on Facebook, it's Sharon Marshall Thermomix Consultant.
Okay.
Yep.
Sharon Marshall Thermomix Consultant. I will have a link in the description for you to follow it. Sharon, thanks for bringing us into your kitchen and sharing with us your favourite dish.
Thanks very much. Thank you.